Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this error code in Microsoft 365. To get started, simply go to Windows Settings. From here click on Apps. Click on Installed Apps. Now search Microsoft 365 from here. Click on these three dots and select Modify. From here, perform a quick repair first, and if it is not working, then go for the online repair. So once the repair process finish, simply close it. Then open any Microsoft Office application. Go to Accounts. Then click on Update Options and select Update Now. And hopefully you won't get the error further. Additionally, you can go to your network settings and change the network you are currently connected to. You can also use your mobile hotspot if you are connected using a Wi-Fi and see if it changes anything or not. And the last, you can disable Windows security for the time being and check whether it is causing any issue or not. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.